Today, April 22nd, 2021 marks the 51st anniversary of Earth Day. Founded in 1970 by activist groups, Earth Day is now an annual global event to raise awareness about our natural environment, the threats posed by a changing climate, and the actions we can take to address and mitigate the impacts on our community. By celebrating Earth Day, you're part of a community of over 1 billion people who take part in this event every year.
Our global community has been shocked by the largest global crisis in a generation. COVID-19 has shown us the necessity of thinking ahead, but the next crises are already on their way. Climate change, species loss, pandemics, and massive natural disasters could define the future unless we do something now. We actually know what we have to do, both natural and technological. We just have to do it. As the world returns to normal, we can't go back to business as usual. The theme of Earth Day 2021 is Restore Our Earth.
Ecosystems support all life on Earth. An ecosystem is a community of interacting organisms and their environments. Living things interact with each other, and also with non-living things like soil, water, and air. They can be as small as your backyard or as large as the ocean. Everything is connected, everything is interdependent, and because of this, the loss or change of any part of the ecosystem has negative consequences on others within the system. According to the UN Global Assessment Report, nature is being destroyed at a rate of tens to hundreds of times higher than the average over the past 10 million years. Being aware is just the beginning.
Restore Our Earth focuses on natural processes, emerging green technologies and innovative thinking that can restore the Earth's ecosystems. It is up to each and every one of us to restore our Earth, not just because we care about the natural world, but because we live on it. We all need a healthy Earth to support our jobs, livelihood, health and survival, and our happiness. A healthy planet is not an option, it is a necessity.
Plastic pollution is one of the most important environmental problems that we face today. It impacts the environment and our health and well-being. We have all contributed to this problem, mostly unknowingly, and we must work to reduce and ultimately end plastic pollution.
We at the school leaders and the UNICEF leadership team are trying to work with the school community to try and raise awareness for the environmental impact of single-use plastic and try and reduce its usage within our community to do our part to restore the earth. Protecting the environment is important to the Bish community, and we had made some good progress towards achieving this goal last year, and this year we would like to start again as a part of this North Anglia and UNICEF challenge.
This year, our global challenge revolves around the goal of life below water. There are two parts to our mission. The first of which is to reduce the number of plastic bottles used in the school. This will ultimately aid our objective of helping to save turtles and other sea life that have been affected by the most recent winter storm. To start off, we will curate a survey that will show you all your plastic consumption. On Earth Day, we will launch a campaign that will ask you to reduce your plastic consumption by 50%. For example, if you can, please bring a reusable bottle rather than a single-use plastic one. More events and initiatives related to our projects will be announced soon.
We want you to think globally, act locally. There are many ways in which we can think about the small things that could reduce the environmental impact. We want you to consider the small steps we can individually make, our family could make, and we could make in our neighborhoods. This could be to recycle more, switching off, unplugging phone and laptop chargers when not in use, and turning off the lights when leaving a room. You could plant a tree. They provide food and oxygen and help save energy, clean the air, and help combat climate change.
Scientists say that the next 10 years will count the most in the fight to avert climate change and the loss of millions of species. So we need to act to ensure that we protect what we value, a healthy future for our planet. So this Earth Day, we make a promise to do something to restore our Earth.